Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Agista Nurul Defani, absen number 1.
My name Ayu Norma Bella P, absen number 8.
On this video, we have a tutorial on grilled sausage cooking. Let's go!
First, prepare the tools and the material. Sausage, stick, brush, knife, plate, butter, plastic gloves, barbecue sauce, and bowl. Next, we have a grill pan and one set stove.
The first step, open the sausage pack and then to the center of the sausage using the stick. And do it until the last sausage. Next, creation the sausage according to taste. Do it until the end.
Turn on the stove. Heat the grill pan with a medium fire. Put some butter to the grill pan and flatten the whole surface of the grill pan.
Put all the sausage into the pan grill that has been applied butter. Grill sausage for a while in the back and forth.
Grease all sausage with barbecue sauce. Grill for a moment. After that, reapply for the second time.
Leave the cooked sausage on a serving plate. Give the chili sauce to the sausage as you wish, and it's ready to be served.
Thank you for watching our video. Sorry, the sausage has been eaten. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel,
Like, comment, and
and share this video.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.